Welcome to our interdisciplinary unit video. We will be explaining two different exercises for sport sprinting and the effects they have on our body.
Our sport is sprinting. To sprint means to run as fast as you can. In races, when you sprint, the whistle marks that you can start running. There is a specific distance that you must run, like the 100 or 200 meter sprint. It is a race, so you must be the first to reach the end. The elements of fitness included in the sport are speed, fast reaction, balance, and explosive power. The muscles that are especially used in this sport are mainly the calf muscles, the hamstrings, and the quadriceps. The hamstrings and quadriceps are located in the thigh, and the calf muscles, naturally, are located in the calf. This sport aims to thicken your muscles and improve your cardiovascular system.
The perfect athlete should have high stamina, since sprinting tires you out quickly. They should have short hair that cannot get in the way of their eyesight, or their hair should be tied up. The athlete needs to have quick eyes to see where they're running. It would be best if the athlete were wearing loose, stretchy, and light clothes that absorb sweat to prevent rashes. The clothes should also be appropriate for the climate. The athlete should have the ability to move multiple limbs at the same time. They should also have a healthy heart rate between 60 to 100 beats per minute. The muscles that should be well trained are the calf muscles, hamstrings, quadriceps, and the gluteus maximus. They should also be very quick on their feet.
The exercise that we have is sprinting different lengths, which are 20, 40, and 60 meters. The elements of fitness for sprinting includes speed, explosive power, faster action, and coordination. You need speed in general for sprinting because sprinting is all based on speed. Practicing and improving your speed can help your muscle power, which is essential in sprinting. Moving on to explosive power. Explosive power is one of the essential elements of fitness in sprinting. Explosive power can help you improve your physical appearance, improve your athletic power, and helps reduce the risk of injury. In order to run fast, you have to give all your strength and power. Faster action is also one of the important parts in sprinting, especially at the start of the race. Hearing the gunshot or hearing the signal to start, for instance, and running right after the signal is a great example for this. In sprinting, there are a variety of muscles that are being trained. One of those muscles is called the calf muscle, located at the back of your lower leg, which helps you exert power when sprinting. The hamstrings and quadriceps, located in front of your thighs, helps you move your legs, and your hip reflectors helps your legs move quickly. We all know if we do an activity such as running, for instance, our heart rate tends to go faster and higher because it pumps more blood so that it can deliver the blood to the different parts of the body. Sprinting affects the heart rate, or the heart itself, and tends to go 2 or 3 times higher than your resting heart rate. With this, sprinting strengthens your heart and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. However, sprinting can also have a negative effect on your heart rate. If the heart goes very high, or what we also know as a high blood pressure, we have the chance to have a heart attack.
What is a fast twitch muscle? Fast twitch muscles are muscles that can produce quick and short bursts of energy. Fast twitch muscles use anaerobic metabolism, which is when you create energy by burning carbohydrates when you don't have enough oxygen. Anaerobic metabolism is normally only used to create short bursts of energy. This is why fast twitch muscles use it, because it is very effective in sports like sprinting. Take the calf muscles, for example. They can move very fast when sprinting because they are fast twitch muscles. If they were slow twitch muscles, which are the exact opposites of fast twitch muscles, sprinting would be very hard to do.
Suicide is an exercise based on sprinting. For this exercise, everyone starts at the baseline of the gym, and when the whistle is heard, they all start running together. They run from the baseline to the free throw line and back, then they run from the baseline to the midcourt line and back, then they run from the baseline to the other free throw line and back. Lastly, they run from baseline to the other baseline and back. The elements of fitness for this exercise are balance and explosive power. Balance is a potential one's body has to stay upright and in control. One needs to be balanced by making sharp turns during this exercise. Explosive power is equal to the strength multiplied by speed. In my words, this means the ability one has to react quickly and have a burst of power. Explosive power is generally needed by athletes that play football, hockey, and or other field sports. The burst of power during the first seconds of running is ATP. Also, the energy used by organisms, also organisms in their the energy used by organisms in their daily operations. This is when one's body needs more ATP, it breaks down glucose. A form of glucose fuel is stored in your muscles. Cells also get glucose from your blood. When one's body has glucose, their muscles release lactic acid. This signals to the brain that the body is under physical stress. In the next minutes, your body starts supplying blood directly to the muscles that are in use, ignoring the other parts of the body that it doesn't need right now. For example, the digestive system. This is because your body needs more oxygen in order to use the glucose and run faster, which means this results in heavy breathing. During this process, the muscles from your lower body help you stay upright. These are the gluteus maximus, calf muscles, hamstrings, quadriceps, and your core muscles. While running, one's body needs more oxygen, and suicide exercises their bones and joints. After 30 minutes of intense sprinting, when the heart rate comes back to normal, between 60 to 100 beats per minute.
All in all, sprinting is running a short distance in a limited period of time, and it is used in many sports. The world's fastest sprinter is Usain Bolt. Sprinting is a sport that improves one's health and overall physical condition. Specifically, it improves the muscles in the upper and lower legs, helping the athlete run faster. It is a very worthwhile sport.